Imagine a world where innovation meets sustainability, where technology works with nature, not against it. Introducing Phonebloks, the eco-friendly gadget designed to make your life easier while reducing your carbon footprint. Phonebloks isn't just a product, it's a movement. Built from sustainable materials and engineered for efficiency, it helps you embrace a greener lifestyle without compromising convenience. Whether you're at home, at work, or on the go, Phonebloks empowers you to make a difference every day. It's simple to use, durable, and powered by unique feature, e.g., renewable energy. Phonebloks was an idea for a new kind of phone, a phone that you don't have to throw away every few years because it is broken or getting slow. This modular phone can be upgraded, repaired, and even customized to your needs. Phonebloks is a concept, a vision for a less wasteful future. The idea of Phonebloks was to share it online, get people to support it, and inspire phone companies to work on it as they could see a market for it. When it released, it got worldwide support and triggered companies to work on it. The goal of Phonebloks was never to develop a phone. It was just an idea to get people thinking about e-waste and propose an alternative. For us, a modular phone was a 15-year goal to work towards, because it means rebuilding our current technology in a completely new way. Not an easy task,